Hi everyone, so today I'm going to see if it's possible to lay bricks in sub-zero temperatures. So I'm currently doing a garage conversion and under a bit of time pressure due to the roof needing to go back on, so going to see if the Sika winter mix is going to allow us to lay bricks in -3 degrees centigrade, which is what it is today. I should start by saying I'm not a bricklayer or a builder, so this is not professional advice, this is a personal project and we're just going to see what happens. So according to the instructions on the back of the bottle, Sika recommend adding 1.25 to 2.5 litres per 25 kilograms of cement. Now, I don't need 25 kilograms of cement as I'm only doing a few blocks today as a test, so gonna go with one trowel, which is about 750 grams of cement and therefore requires 75 mils of winter mix, which will take us up to the top of the recommended threshold. Now the reason I've gone to the top of the recommended amount is firstly because it's super cold, but also because it's recommended that you add the winter mix to the water to start with, and as I don't know exactly how much water I'll need, I'd rather have a bit too much in there just in case some gets left behind. And that's it, we'll lay a couple of blocks in now and come back in a few days to see where we are. So it's been a few days since we laid the block work and everything looks great. Well done Sika, that seems to have worked. This is a bit of mortar we left out and as you can see it's nice and solid, so I think we're good to go. And that about wraps us up. If you found this helpful then please like and subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.